February 21st, 2014, current time 11:15 GMT. Jay Misley here with the Daily Forex Trading Outlook from GVI Forex on globalview.com. Before I turn to the Daily Outlook, stay tuned towards the end of this video for a look ahead to next week, which could be a critical week as the focus is likely to shift to the ECB and the euro. To start out, the focus today has not been on the euro. The range has so far been 22 pips. The dollar Canada has extended its high, but still below its recent 112 plus high, while cable has rebounded off a brief dip following weaker retail sales. And that brings up a point about data. The way it's been working recently is the market has been reacting to weak data and then not following through and seeing a reversal the other way. We've seen it in the Aussie dollar, we saw it in sterling overnight, and we've seen it in the US dollar on various occasions as weather-related data has come in on the weak side. As far as the euro dollar goes, there's not much to talk about. It's been a 22 pip range. This trend line here, daily trend line, comes in at 136.98. It seems destined to be broken, if only by attrition. If not today, then probably next week. Signaling at least this episode here is over for now. That would only change if 137.75 has been taken out. Currently, it's in a 40 pip basically range, 136.85 to 137.25. And if you look at the level I mentioned yesterday is 137.24 to 28. I used 25 to 30 as a resistance. We popped up here a couple of times. We couldn't get through it. And as most know, the way I look at the market, when you trade between 250 levels, which right now is 136.50 to 137.50, 137 will set the tone, and see how your sentiment changes when it trades above or below. The low today has been 137.02. We have existing home sales out today from the U.S. If this is a surprise, it's going to be on the weak side, and the way the market's been trading is to fade any reaction to weak data, as it's seen as weather-related. Now I want to look ahead to the next week, which is probably more important, and the focus. And as I said, if you watch my videos all week, and I started on the beginning of the week, I said the focus, at some stage, it's going to shift to the ECB meeting on, I think it's March 6th, that Thursday, first Thursday in March. And what that's going to do is that's going to focus on the risk of a rate cut or some sort of monetary easing. In this regard, the key event coming for next week is the inflation data out of the Eurozone on Friday. I think Draghi speaks on Thursday, so that has to be watched in case he wants to drop a hint of some sort. But on Friday, the inflation data, and if it comes in on the weak side, the soft side, as it's been doing, it'll focus even more on the ECB the following week. As I've been saying ahead of the ECB meeting, the euro dollar should have a limited upside. I haven't changed that view. But once it becomes a focus, euro dollar should turn defensive, and that puts the risk on the downside, especially with the current episode on the way up likely to be broken, as noted by the trend line. So looking ahead, next Friday is a key event day with inflation data coming out, and the market will start anticipating that at least by the middle of the week, and that's going to focus the market on the ECB meeting the following week, and that should, I said, keep the euro dollar on the defensive. And one thing to note, look at the bottom of this screen. Well, I didn't even look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a yellow highlighted link. It's to tradersadvocate.com, our advocacy site. We were offering a free $50 credit as part of our welcoming package for joining this worthwhile organization. So if you click on the link at the bottom of this video here, you will see the details and have access to this free $50 credit. Good luck trading, and we'll see you next week.